We're going to look at the topic using a graphing calculator to find zeros of a polynomial function. So they're giving us the function. We're going to pull up the calculator and we're going to put the equation of the function in y equals. Let me move this over here a little bit. So I'm going to click in here and I'm going to use my keyboard for the x to the third power, use my keyboard to arrow out of the exponent, minus 4x squared plus x plus 1. Once I have it typed in, I'm going to go over here to graph so I can see my graph. Notice this graph crosses the x-axis 1, 2, 3 times, correct? So we're going to have 3 zeros. So I'm going to choose this tool here, which is 0. And we're going to get 2 lines there. So we want that to be the left-hand bound and the right bound for the 0. So once my graph turns yellow, I can move the line. And I want this line just to come a little bit closer. And I'm going to tell it to find the 0. And it looks like that 0 is negative 0.38, right? It says 2 decimal places. And then I'm going to clear it. And then for the next one, I'm going to move this so it's on either side of the next 0. And I'm going to tell it to find the 0. And that is 0.73, comma. And then I have a third one. I'm going to clear this. And I'm going to drag this guy all the way to the other side here. And tell it to find the 0. And we're at 3.65. Now, I want you to notice that every time I did that, this y is like 7 point something e to the negative 12. So that's really, 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 really close to 0. It's just the best we can get right there. For all intents and purposes, you consider that to be a 0. Okay? And there we go.